Hey everyone, so I'm gonna make a quick gas station run and I thought I'll just bring you guys along with me, alright? Now, you might be wondering what's so special about getting gas, right? I know, but so this Total gas station here in Portmore, Greater Portmore to be exact, it has a car wash. Now it's one of them automated car wash, right? I think the owner said it takes what, 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, so 9.5 minutes to get your car washed. I don't think vacuuming is included in that time though, but yeah. So it's the Total Portmore Pines, and yeah, we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna get some gas, and then I'm just gonna make a short walk and have you guys take a look at it, okay? So there you have it, guys, the automated car wash. Now, it's not as sophisticated as the ones you'll see overseas, right? But it's a good start here for Jamaica. Now, it's I think at the time of recording this video, I think this is the first and the only one in Jamaica. You can correct me if I'm wrong, right? That is open to the public. Now, I know like the bus companies and maybe like some of the like Toyota Jamaica or one of those big car places might have their own automated car wash, but I'm talking about one that is open up to the public where you can go ahead and get your car washed. Right now, there isn't any vacuum bay like you'll see overseas, where after you wash you go up and you vacuum your own car and stuff. I think there's someone there who will vacuum your car for you and do any other detailing work that you might want have done on your car. So yeah, there you have it. It's Portmore Pines. It's a Total in Portmore Pines, and yeah, it's automated car wash. I think it takes minutes to get your car washed, you know. And guys, come on, you know the struggle. For the persons who go wash their cars, you know the struggle, right? Just the waiting time alone, you know, when you park up and have to wait, you know, it can be hours just to get a wash, right? So yeah, feel free to comment and share your thoughts about it. And until our next journey through Jamaica or next drive through Jamaica, be safe, okay guys?